Hello and welcome. This is Dmitry with RULA Technologies. In today's video, we'll unbox the shipment set of our staple vibration controller, RL-C21, and assemble a fully functional vibration control system. Let's get started. RL-C21 is shipped in a black case with handles for convenient transportation. It's easy to open and close. The insides of the case are laid with foam plastic to protect the device from shocks during shipment. Here is what you get in the RL-C21 package. This probe is our software on a DVD and USB, a user manual and technical documentation with information about the device, one power supply cable, one Ethernet cable for connecting the device to a PC or laptop, one BNC cable to set up connection between the controller and the power amplifier, and the vibration controller RL-C21. Now let's assemble a vibration testing system. For that we'll need a vibration controller, a power amplifier, a shaker, and a sensor. First we connect the power supply cables to the electricity source. It's crucial to use the grounded source to avoid unnecessary noise. Then take the BNC cable and connect one end to the output of the vibration controller and another end to the BNC socket on the back panel of the amplifier. Connect the shaker to the socket on the power amplifier. Then connect the sensor to the input channel on the controller. Turn on both power switches on the back of the devices. The LCD screen will start glowing and RULA logo will appear. To set the minimal signal level on the power amplifier, turn the knob to the minimum level. The last step is to connect one end of the Ethernet cable to your PC or laptop and the other end to the LAN socket on the controller. If the connection is fine, LED lights will start glowing. Now we can run a basic test to check that our vibration test system is working. To learn how to set up the software and run a basic test, consult the playlist you see on the screen right now or in the description below. This is all for today's video. Subscribe to RULA channel to be notified about our updates and press the like button to support our content. Visit our website at www.rulatech.com to learn more about our products. Until next time.